So today at Explore Up, you need to know everything about Swedish Thursday at IKEA Food, where everything is 50% off if you're a family member on all entrees. Let's check it out. First thing first, go through the entrance and take the escalator. And you don't have to explore the whole cone maze, just take a ride. And here's a lineup with a screen so it gives you time to decide what would you like. What the fuck? For the fish and chips? With lots of healthy options, it's the best place for balanced diet. Well, you can cheat with a cheesecake and a beer too, with an awesome serving, plant balls, medallion, haddocks, love them. Trendier stuff, love them. The samosa and more medallions, love them. That was our meal of the day. My friends are vegan and they don't disappoint with vegan options too. And trust me, every single thing was super good. That's what my friend said. And cheesecake, I didn't expect it so good. Now comes to the prices. At this point I'll also say, but if you're a family member, you just log into IKEA application, go to the purchasing and get the receipt. Easy. With its affordability, quality, ambience and prices, they are the best place to dine in nature, and especially on Thursday.